Alright, today is crunch time. So, I'm probably not going to be able to film as much to go along with the just me talking to the camera. Probably not going to be talking to the camera very much either. I was going to try to start doing a little more type B-roll type stuff to make it a little more cinematic. But I ain't got time for the theatrics today, so I'm going to get this 408 started because I had to scrap the idea of even getting the other two motors done because that needs to be done today. So I'm gonna jump on that and try to get that done as fast as possible. I'll give you updates as I go if I got time. Talk to you later. So things going pretty good now. I got the block finished. The 408 is in the washer now with the rods, the pistons, and the miscellaneous bolts and studs and all that good nonsense. It's in the washer. So I'm gonna give that about 20 minutes to soak in there, get it good and clean. All right, and then in the meantime, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I need to go see what I need to do. What is it that I need to do next? I need to order the bearings. That is one thing. The main bearings look pretty good. I'm gonna put them back in. No issues with them. The rod bearings, however, you got this one good. That one. I'm not putting that one back in there. It's not the right size anymore anyways because we went with a new crank. These are 10 under on the rods. And we have standard again. So I'm gonna order some rod bearings so I can size the rods as soon as they come out the washer. And I need to gap the rings. I guess I could start doing that. No, the block's still in the washer. Can't do that. So I just want to order the rod bearings, go get them. By the time I get back, then I can start doing all that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna call and order the bearings. Hey, this is Michael, customer number 6. I need to order a couple of things. One, I need a set of the CB663HN rod bearings. And if I can I get those? They're standard, but the extra clearance ones.
What did you say?
The CB663HN.
HXN. Yeah, I got them.
Alright, is that in the extra clearance?
Yep.
Alright, if I can get those. And then I need a neutral balance for a 351 Windsor.
A flex plate or what?
Yeah, flex plate.
Yeah, with the weight.
Without the weight, neutral balance.
Without the weight. $164
Alright. And I need a balancer also neutral weight. I ordered, I'm not sure if this one is neutral or not, but it was the A946526.
Yeah, I'm not sure whose number is that.
It's on the balancer itself. I can try to find the ticket that it's on and possibly. Either way, I mean, if you can find it, all I need is a balancer for a 351 Windsor. It's neutral balance.
Yeah, I got one, but it's not cheap.
How much is it? I'll take it.
Alright, what else?
and that should be it. If you could check on that flywheel for me, see if you can find that, and that would be it.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright. I'll look.
Alright, thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye. So everything just got ordered. I'm getting ready to pull the motor out the washer, and let's see how. I haven't actually used the washer yet since I changed everything over. I mean, I've washed this little thing, which it did pretty good. This was nasty, like really nasty, as you can see. Didn't get everything off. But the areas that weren't completely covered came out fantastic. Let's see what kind of job this new vat, but new water and acid in the vat is doing. Let's see if I can find a place to set you up so you can see. Let's get it right about there. That should be a good view. Oh, see what it did. Oh yeah, that's good and shiny. Everything looks very silver. Oh, quite all those rings there that didn't need to be in there. Meant to throw those away. Left them sitting out of blood. Okay, let's try to not. Man, that cleaned that really good. I probably left it in there a little longer if we got that completely off. But I'm gonna scrub that off. I ain't got time to wait for it to do it on its own. You gotta make sure your old pressure square is clean. Yeah, I'm extremely stoked at how good this looks. I don't have a hose to dry it off with. Well, what do I do with that? Forgot I took my air hose up here back up front. Because my air hose up there is up in the very front. Alright, today actually was a little productive today. I've got the 408 back up here up front. I'm about to put the main bearings in it, clearance them out, figure out what's going on. I've already mic'd the mains on the crank back in the back. I've got the rods sitting back there. I've got one set torqued down to see if what I got will work. I went ahead and just straight out the gates got the extra clearance because I remember the last couple times I've worked on this motor, I've had issues with just going with like standard. Standard would be way too tight, but it is a different crank this time. It is a brand new crank going back in it. Being I'm gonna be working on it after 5, I just went ahead and got extra clearance to make sure I want to be on the larger side anyways. So that's what I did. But either way, I'm gonna go pick up the kids now because it's like 5:45 in the evening. So I'm gonna go grab them. I'm gonna meet my wife at a house that we're looking at to possibly buy. Do that, get the kids home, and then I'm gonna talk to her about coming back up here and finishing this tonight, hopefully. And then I'll just go back there, measure the rod journals, clearance the rods themselves, get them set up to be put in here, come back up here, clearance this, get the crank in it, get the rods and pistons back in it, and hopefully be done with this thing and get it back to him. It is Wednesday. I was hoping to have it to him right now. He just left. I am not giving it back to him right now. So hopefully tomorrow I will have it to him on Thursday. It'll give him at least a little time before Friday to try to get it in the car, get it running, and get to the track on Friday. All right, well, I'm out for today. Talk to you guys later.